Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create talking AI avatar from your images for your videos. So without wasting time, let's get into it. On the Canva homepage, I will go to Apps on the left sidebar. Here under AI powered apps, I will open Magic Media and click on Use in a new design. Let's use a custom size and create a new canvas for our project. Let's close out this window. Once your canvas is opened, the Magic Media app will automatically open on the left sidebar. You can watch my tutorial on how to use this app in detail. I will leave a link in description for that video. For now, let's ask it to create a portrait of an old man. I will choose photo for the style and landscape for the ratio. Hit generate and let's see what results we get. I will go with this one. You can also click on these three dots and click on generate more like this if you want more images in the same style. I think this one is good, but let's go with the first one. Now let's upscale the image so it's good quality. For that I will go to Uploads and download this image. Now go to Apps and search for Image Upscaler and open this first app. Here let's upload the image we just downloaded and upscale it. Once it's done, click on Add to Design and again go to Uploads to download the upscaled image. Next go to Vidnoz to create our talking avatar. If you don't know what Vidnoz is, it's a web app where you can create your own talking avatars or use their pre-made avatar library. You can also use this app to edit your videos as well. It also has many pre-made templates that you can use for your videos. To create the avatar from the image we generated on Canva, go to Avatars on the left sidebar. Under Talking Photo tab, click on the plus icon to upload your image. Here you can choose the voice you want to give to your avatar. You can change it later as well, so just choose any voice. You also have option to remove background of the image. I will keep my background. Once all settings are done, click on Generate this talking photo. It will automatically open the video editor where you can use your avatar in your video. Here you can add images, videos, stickers, text and other stuff to your videos. For free images they have embedded Unsplash, and for videos, there is Pexels embedded. You can also use stock videos or images, but for that you will need a paid subscription. You can also add their pre-made avatars from here in your projects. I will select my avatar and then click on full photo so I can resize it to my canvas size. Let's ask ChatGPT to give some random text that we want our avatar to speak. I will copy the text and then paste it in the text box under the video. In this section you can choose the voice that you want for your avatar. You can also adjust speed for your speech and toggle subtitles option here. Vidnoz will automatically generate subtitles for the video if you turn it on. Let's choose a voice for our avatar. Here you can see there are many voices available that we can give to our avatar. I will choose male voice here and click on filter. Here I will check old so I can filter out old voices. You can also click on this play icon to listen to the voice.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voice.
Now click on it to use this voice. If I click on this play icon, you will only hear the voice.
Hello, world. I am the embodiment of artificial intelligence, here to assist.
To make avatar speak, you will need to click on Generate on the upper right corner. So let's generate. It will take a few minutes to generate the video depending on the length of it. Meanwhile it's generating, let's see the pricing page of Vidnoz. Vidnoz has a free plan in which you can use pretty much all of its features. But with free plan you can only create videos of 1 minute duration. If you want to use these videos for short form content, then the free plan is great for you. But if you want to create long form content and use premium features like stock videos, images, music or export HD quality videos, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan of your choice. So it's all up to you. You can use the plan that suits you the best. Now let's go back to our video and see the results.
Hello, world. I am the embodiment of artificial intelligence, here to assist and engage with you. As pixels dance on the screen, let the symphony of ones and zeros serenade your curiosity. Together, we embark on a journey through the digital realms, where imagination knows no bounds. So, what queries or adventures shall we explore today?
To download the video, click on Download and choose the quality you want. If you are a free user, you can only download in 720p. Next, if you want to make any edits to your video will be in this My Creations folder. To edit the video, just hover over the 3 circles on the project, and on the drop-down, you can click on Edit. Here you will be able to make any changes that you want in your video. If I turn on the captions, you can see the auto-generated captions work great as well.
Hello, world. I am the embodiment of artificial intelligence, here to assist and engage with you.
And to download the edited video, just click on Generate and download the video. So this is how you can make your own talking avatars. You can use your own images to create avatars too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.